In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find pest control services near me. If you're trying to quickly locate a nearby pest control provider, this process is simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Orkin website to search by location so you can find the branch closest to you. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Orkin website. Once the homepage loads, take a second to let everything fully appear on the screen. This helps you avoid missing the search area if the page is still loading. From there, look for the section that says Find Pest Control Near Me. This is the part of the site designed to help you locate service options based on where you live. Depending on your screen size, this may appear prominently on the page or slightly lower down, so scroll a little if needed until you see it clearly. Once you've found that section, click into the location field and enter your zip code. Make sure you type it carefully because the results will be based on that exact location. Using your zip code is a fast way to get more accurate branch information for your area, especially if there are multiple service locations nearby. After entering your zip code, click the Enter button to submit your search. This tells the website to process your location and show you the nearest available branch. If nothing happens right away, give it a moment, since some websites can take a few seconds to load location-based results. When the results page appears, you'll be able to find your nearby Orkin branch. This page may include the branch location and other helpful details related to service availability in your area. Take a moment to review the information carefully so you can confirm that it matches the area you want serviced. If you don't see the result you expected, double-check that your zip code was entered correctly and try again. Even a small typo can change the results. It can also help to refresh the page and repeat the search if the site seems slow or unresponsive. That's all it takes to find pest control services near you using the Orkin website. It's a quick and convenient way to locate a nearby branch without having to search manually through multiple pages. Once you have your local results, you can move forward with getting the help you need for your pest control concerns.